Your skin is looking radiant.
Thank you. It's because of this new sugar goop polish I've been using. You're gonna love this super fun exfoliating recipe that uses all natural ingredients to make your skin look radiant.
We got this recipe from our February 2022 recipe box, and let's check it out.
You want your February recipe box, and in your box you'll want to pull out your recipe card and labels. You'll also want to grab your xanthan gum, vegetable glycerin, your body wash base. You're also going to want to grab Peru balsam and lavender essential oils from your box.
And from your big bonus box, you're gonna wanna grab your almond oil. From your kitchen, you're gonna wanna grab a cup of sugar and some distilled water.
Let's get started.
We're gonna wanna add a half teaspoon of our vegetable glycerin and a half of a teaspoon of the xanthan gum.
It's gonna give this a cool consistency that works really well for rinsing away this product. All right, we'll set this aside. We will come back to it in just a moment.
So we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of body wash.
So we're gonna add 1 drop of Peru balsam, which is good for your skin.
Keep in mind this is a thick oil, so it could take some time to come out.
All right, and then 4 drops of lavender.
So I'm gonna stir these to make sure they're evenly incorporated.
So now we're combining our xanthan gum mixture with our body wash mixture. Doing it this way just helps make sure all of our oils stay properly diluted and our ingredients mix well together. We'll add our mixture to here because we are going to add some water to this and
The sugar.
a whole cup of it. While I'm whipping or stirring, she's gonna add the water. All right, so now that that is mixed, we're gonna add our sugar. So she'll add the sugar and I'll stir. And we're gonna stir it until it's all one even consistency. So when it's done, it's going to be goopy like this. It is not sticky though. So don't think this is gonna be like a marshmallow. To use it, wet your skin and then rub in gentle circles to exfoliate away dead skin. And we're gonna store this recipe in about a 6 to 8 ounce jar. To help promote its shelf life, use a spoon to get it out of the jar because when you put your fingers into the mixture, you're introducing different germs and that's going to shorten the shelf life of your product. Also, try to keep water from entering it. So if you're using in the shower, hold it out of the water or something like that so that water does not enter it. So now we have it labeled and in our jar. This recipe rinses away really easily and makes your skin look amazing.
Very exfoliating.
To make this recipe, subscribe to our Simply Earth recipe box.
Go to simplyearth.com/box and hit that subscribe now button.
Every month, we will send a recipe box to your door with 4 essential oils plus the things you need to make awesome recipes.
Thanks for watching.
Sugar goop. You're gonna Boop. And 1 drop of Peru balsam.